Alright, we're on the Minnesota River with Larry, and it's about 10 o'clock. Raining, light rain. Larry just looks like he hooked into a pretty good fish here. We've had lots of runs and we finally got a hook into a fish. How's it feel?
It's about time.
Ooh, this could be a good fish. Need me to do anything? I don't want to really scare it with the spotlight here. I'd like to see it. This could be a good fish. I'm gonna try to get some ambient light from this thing so I don't shine it directly. There he is. Oh. Looks like a nice fish. Maybe 25, maybe 30. We need a third guy to be running the camera. I'm gonna try to land this. Oh, that's a nice fish. Nice fish. Woohoo! Nice fish. Oh man.
Flathead here.
What it's all about.
Woohoo!
We put up with the rain and we were rewarded. Nice, lively bait. Alright, we got a weight on this guy, 28.15, maybe a little bit bigger, bouncing around.
Go ahead and turn him loose to fight another day.
A nice fish.
Good work. Wait for this one.
Quite the net job on that one. There he goes. Off to fight another battle. Nice job, Mr. Flatcaster.
Thank you, sir. All right.